Hi guys, Beth here, and today we will be opening the new March Onyx box. In case you don't know, it is fire. Okay, this is a box subscription service for women of color. So we have Madam Makeup, mascara, and Witch Lash, and it's black, I believe, Black Noir. Next we have Not Your Mother's Kinky Moves Curl Defining Hair Cream. I could use a little. Then we have a turmeric orange peel off mask by Reiki. We have Denore lip color and Dragon Blood. And we have I-beam oil. It's supposed to get rid of, it's a plant protection for bright eyes. There's a little bit of this, and it says, "Welcome to Queendom." I only get that everywhere. It also comes with a card of the month, I think. It's like a sketch. It's really beautiful. It tells you about the things that you got in your box and what their value is, and that you can purchase them on the site. We are Onyx, which is really cool. Inside this one, we had something about Denore, I don't know, cosmetics. And it's 20% off your first purchase, so don't steal my code. Easy. So I'm gonna do the turmeric peel, and then while that's drying, I'm gonna put on a little bit of this kinky curling move. I'm doing it straight out of the gate. It doesn't say that your face has to be wet, so here we go. I can't open it. I'm gonna probably break this before I open it. Okay, I tried to kill that plastic. It's really kind of not wanting to be opened. But I did it for you. Alright, so let's see. Let's get to peeling. Okay, that feels crazy. It's like really waxy, like smooth. It smells really good, like intensely good. Face other mouth that I used, and it's just really covering my face. But I do have a gigantic face, to be honest. Okay. I think I need a little bit more for my forehead. So this sits for 10 to 15 minutes. Didn't think this through. So I just washed my hair like 2 days ago, so I'm not gonna get it all wet. So I just got this part wet to sample the Not Your Mother's curl. It says, wash and towel dry hair, apply to hair and saturate locks, distribute evenly from root to tip, scrunch curls and style as normal, then blow dry upside down or air dry to reveal smooth, long, lasting curls all day. Okay. So if you don't know anything about curly hair, you gotta use a lot of product, even if it's a tiny bit of thing. It's a struggle that people don't understand. Like, why does your conditioner run out, but you have all this shampoo? And I'm like, don't worry about my life, okay? It's hard to explain. I will always use 8 gallons of shampoo. Let's just get this whole section because we can. Because this section isn't as curly as the rest of my hair that I did. Yes, I put waves in my hair, so I'm not gonna do this. And we're still on the timer for the face mask, so now it's saturated, and now we scrunch. Don't mind my edges. One more scrunch. I kind of form the curl and scrunch. A lot of people don't do that, but I form it. And see, because I want it to look like that. I don't want it to look like whatever fuzzball it decides to look like. Scrunch it, and then I'll see you. You and you, don't you go. I saw you moving in about 10 minutes. So while this is drying, I can do two things. I can not swatch, but put on the mascara and the Noir lip color cheek and lip pod, but I won't be able to do the cheek part until this is done. My face is so tight right now. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna get this off. But apparently it's a peel, so it just peels off. No water needed. So here's the mascara. I think it's important to show, it's cruelty-free mascara, the wand. The wand's important. Ooh, it's a good one. So just get in. I don't have any mascara on. This one coat is seriously amazing. Medusa's Makeup Witch Lash. Really good. How cool is this? I can't move my top lip, guys. How cool is this? How cool is this? Next, I'll be trying the Denore Dragon Blood. Dragon Blood? Dragonberry Lip and Cheek Duo Pod. I'm not going to try the cheeks yet because I can't get to them. Ooh, I can't get to them. That's cool. So that's the color. Oh, yas. Yas. Keep talking. Yas. Or in my case, don't keep talking because you can't. Yas. Yas. Love. Love it. Love. Alright, you guys, it's time for the peel. Let's find an edge and wish me luck. Oh. Oh my god, this is so painful. Oh my god, does it remove all the hairs from your face? Oh my god, that hurts so bad. Okay, keep going. Oh my god, it hurts so bad. You have no idea. It's like, oh my god, yeah. Oh, this was not okay. Ow. Oh. I better be freaking gorgeous after this is done. I better be Angela Bassett. Oh my god. And I have a high tolerance for pain, you guys. High. Oh, there goes my nose hairs. Need that upper ear lip wax though, so kudos for that. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back for that because this is just. Come on. Oof. Alright, come over here. Don't take a move. Don't take a move. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Ow. Oh, that was my eyebrow. Cool. I think that will just come off eventually. Oh, no, got it. Got it. Nope, okay. Oh. Oh, man. See, it's less painful on this side for some reason. Oh, I lied. Ooh, it makes those hairs though. Oh. To see how long this took. Right now we're at 5 minutes, which I will speed up for you. So back to the cheek pod. I don't think I'm gonna have to put water on my cheeks, so I can still do this. Just gonna put a couple polka dots here. I just do like a little on the apples. That's me with no makeup, so it works. I like it. It's really perfect color. It blends. It's neutral. It has a low. It's like not too intense. It's just like the perfect amount of color, and because it's a tinted stain, it will stay. It's really beautiful. It's a great color. I love it. Alright, this is the Lua Eye Beam. You can do it day or night. It prevents and combats fine lines and puffiness. I've got a couple. They're usually puffier than that. I must have ate her clean last night. So what you do is you roll on around the eyes and gently pat into the skin with fingertips. Use it morning and night. It's morning. Okay. And am I beautiful and young yet? Close, close. Still have that mask on a little bit. Oh man. So that is the depuff. You know what? And I think that actually works. Oh my gosh, you guys, that actually works. Because there were some, remember those a minute ago? Oh my gosh, mascara. They're gone. Okay, cool. So good job, Lua. So I hope you guys enjoyed my Onyx box unboxing. This is still drying, but as you could see from the video earlier, it's still a nice curl to it. I would get it for sure. It takes a lot of product though, so maybe get the gallon size. I'm Roxy, and this has been my unboxing. Bye. Okay, sidebar. Even though the peel took me a minute to get off and I had to use water, what it did for my face is great. I'm having a little bit of a reaction because I have really sensitive skin, but that's okay because my skin is so soft, so cool. It'll hurt a little bit, but 3D is pain.